My name is Jhon Figueroa. I'm the Assistant Director of Teaching Labs at the University of South Florida. We were looking into getting a lab that has to do with intermolecular forces, but every time that I was looking for a device, they were super expensive. So I was looking for somebody that was able to help me to get something that's more proper for the budget that we currently have in the labs. Actually, I didn't find that educational side of it. It was the industry side that I found. It's super hard to find somebody from industry that is willing to work to develop something for academia, and they did. So very happy and excited about one company being able to hear what the academics needed and being able to provide what actually we were looking for. They were very willing to work with me and to get to the bare bones of the device. Then we start working on introducing this to the academics, since they only have it for industry, something that is robust enough for a bunch of undergrads playing with it, and they delivered. They were able to make something for us. There's no way for me to compare because this was custom made, so we didn't have any similar instrument of this. Having the capacity to bring experiments that we want to use, working with industry, are they willing to help us to design things and make it, once again, budget friendly for a public university, it's always great. I'm absolutely happy with the people that work in it because they are very responsive. Every time that I send an email, they respond back. They are also willing to work with you. So they're always trying to update the version based on the feedback that we've been providing. Now that we did this, I can foresee different approaches that we want to take. A lot of successful labs in the future, and trying to introduce this with even upper level labs. The willingness of the company to get something for academia was fantastic. That shows the values of the company to trying to support this area of academia.